Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. This one recipe I had prepared at least 6 months or maybe more, and I forgot. Well, while I was going through my files, I came upon this, and this is a delicious recipe. It's a keto soul curry which has been shared by one of my Facebook friend and Insta friend even, Pekesh Mumbai. It's a recipe of Aparna Surte and I really loved it. And I made that video and I forgot to upload it. But now I'm doing that. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. And I'm practicing as a dietitian. So if you want my consultation, just go and fill the form in the description box. And also I have a graphy or an online video book, Healthy Junk Food, and if you want to read that, it's a lovely book, compilation of lovely dishes. You're going to love it. Yes, it's Healthy Junk, and for that also the link is provided in the description box. So thanks Pekesh for this lovely recipe, Keto Soul Curry. So let's begin with it. So this is one of my favorite recipe. It's a keto soul curry and I'll tell you it's too delicious. So for the first stage of this, I'm going to soak the Kokum Garcinia indica that is easily available all over India and also outside on Amazon or in your supermarket. You can get hold of it in the Indian section, and just simply soak it with little water. And I'm going to put it aside for 2 hours. Yes, it will get easily gelled up or it will soften up while it is being soaked for 2 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the main thing, that is the cucumber. I'm going to grate it. Here I'm using the vegetable cucumber. Just grate it through the bigger grater hole, and I'm going to put it in the salad of my family or for other people. And here I'm adding some ginger goes into it. This is a very simple savory porridge which you are just going to love it, simply because it's very easy to prepare. I'm adding some salt, and now I'm going to add some coconut milk. Yes, this is a lovely, you can say it's a vegan recipe also, as I'm adding coconut milk goes into it. Some chia seeds, yes, instead of other millets or grains, here I'm adding the chia seed, which will give the protein portion, and also it will help in gelling up, and also it will fill my tummy. Yes, when I have this soul curry. The name is so refreshing, soul curry, like it is refreshing my soul. I'm just covering this and keeping in the fridge for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, I'm going to heat a pan. I'm preparing the tempering of the porridge. This is a savory porridge I'm preparing. So I've heated a pan, added some ghee or the oil, whichever you want to use. Drop some peanuts into it and roast it. Yes, you have to fry the peanuts. I love peanuts. It's a very infectious nut for me, because whenever I go for munching on peanuts, I can't stop. Saying is very easy to my clients, please stop after having this amount, but for myself, uncontrollable. Here goes some cumin seeds goes into it, and now I'm going to drop the curry leaves. That gives a beautiful flavor to this dish and add color even. Here goes the dried red chili. I love chewing over it when it gets fried up. It's not at all spicy. Some asafoetida goes into it and saute it, and my tempering is done. So now this porridge, chia soaked cucumber porridge, I am going to just mix it up, give a magic mix, and see. Now I am going to rub the kokum. Yes, because it is already moist. It can be rubbed and you can take out its tartness in the water. It gives a sari flavor to the water and it is very healthy. It is very good for the stomach, for your digestive system. So I'm just rubbing it against each other, against my fingers, and I am going to sieve it. Yes, I need the liquid of it. So I'm going to simply pour over the porridge. Yes, this is my savory porridge I had said. This is a very simple recipe as such. Just pour it and sieve it with the help of the spoon. You can take out the extract, if you strain with the help of the spoon, you can simply take out the deliciousness through the sieve or through the kokum. So my sieving is done, and see, perfect. I'm scraping some deliciousness or the tartness, the thick portion, and I'm mixing it up. It's given a beautiful mauve lilac color to my dish. Lovely. Now mix it up again so that it becomes homogeneous, and I'm transferring this into a serving bowl. Yes, just transfer it into a serving bowl, and now I'm going to drop the tempering over it. Yes, just pour the tempering or drop it through a spoon. Well, I'm decorating it. You just, in normal circumstances, I would just drop and have it. But over here for the video, I am trying to decorate the porridge. Yes, my savory porridge. The oil is seeping. Can you see? It looks so lovely when it floats. Lovely golden color of the oil. Actually the ghee, I've used ghee. See, doesn't it look delicious? Perfect savory porridge for the summers, to cool your system, to cool your body, to cool your digestive system. Here this goes inside my mouth, and I'll tell you, this looks so delicious. I can't resist. Wow, super tasty. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this delicious soul curry. And once again, thanks to Aparna Surte of Pekish. This is a lovely recipe you had shared and I had forgotten, but I finally got hold of it again and I edited the video. Thanks a ton, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.